Yo, you came on a good day. We are learning how to make the perfect and easiest Reese bass. They're amazing and fire. I've been making a lot of drum and bass. Let's just listen to what this sounds like.
If you want to sitting at the typewriter, you look at the paper and say, wow, that's what I think.
Keep in mind, you can use this in multiple genres. In drum and bass, it's perfect. In dubstep, we use it for intros, and you can use it in all kinds of creative ways. With this Reese, we're letting the sub actually play. Keep in mind, we are in octave 0. For the D, we're actually playing in G minor. This is our little progression right here. Keep in mind too, this full Reese bass, all these will be grouped up and put in my Patreon if you guys want to download the Reese bass real quick and easy. You don't want to make it right here. We are using Serum. If we look at the notes that are being played, we can see G is our home. This is number 1. It's going to be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and back to 1. So we choose the 6, then we choose the 4, then we go to the 1, and then the 3. So 6, 4, 1, 3 is the chord progression. You can go ahead and turn off all these effects. This is what it sounded like originally. We can open up Serum now. The first oscillator is just going to be a default saw wave. And then second oscillator will be the default saw wave. On the first one, you're going to fine tune it 24. And fine-tune oscillator B to -24. Both the levels are regular at 75%. Master is also regular at 70%. We're going to turn on this filter. Make sure we're sending the signal to A and B. Cutoff is at 567. We're only letting these lows pass through to make it sound clean. This is before. After. Big difference. We need that. After you do the filter, you can go ahead and turn mono on. Now, when we listen, it's not loud enough, so we add the multiband dynamics. Multiband dynamics is a multiband compressor, and that's going to make it louder. We pump up the output to 10. The amount's on 63. So we definitely need that. There's too many high frequencies playing, so we use this EQ. Frequencies at 297. We're cutting this. And we're only letting the lows pass through, but we're actually letting a little bit of the highs pass through too. Before, after. So this makes it really clean. This will let it sit in the mix well. If you want to make it even cleaner, what you can do is make a separate sub to play with the Reese. So with this Reese, we'll go ahead and add an EQ to remove all the bass. Kind of turn down these mids right here at 330. And then we can add a sub, a separate sub, so we can have full control of the sub to play with it as well. So the sub will be controlling the lows, while the Reese will be in these mids here to create a nice signal. That's what I have essentially playing with the full mix.
To find out what my secret self needs, wants, desires, or heart.
Hey. Woo! Nice. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, everything's in the description. So check that out. Hit me up in the Discord if you want. But otherwise, have a good day. See you later.
The beast lives.